It's official. Microsoft are killing Edge as we know it. Its EdgeHTML rendering engine, in other words the part of the program that helps display web pages, is being replaced with Blink, the same engine found in Chromium and, by extension, Google Chrome. It's no surprise that Edge is struggling. After all, according to StatCounter, its usage is actually below that of Internet Explorer. It also has quite a number of issues, including a lack of customizability. I mean, there are only about 200 extensions available for Edge versus, about 180,000 for Chrome. So now Microsoft is going to wipe the slate clean. Hey, that's actually good news. A Chromium-based browser will effectively be pre-installed with every copy of Windows 10. Don't get excited too fast though. Mozilla certainly aren't excited, in fact they're very annoyed. In a recent blog post, they acknowledged that while Microsoft's decision might make sense from a business perspective, in other words, it's not worth putting in the effort developing EdgeHTML because the market is so small, what they are essentially doing is handing over control to Google and giving up freedom and choice for the consumer. Now, if you're old enough, this may sound very familiar. In 1998, the US Department of Justice launched an antitrust investigation against Microsoft, claiming that they had tried to push Netscape Navigator, which was back then the most popular browser, out of the market. By adding non-standard features to Internet Explorer, Microsoft made sure that sites developed for their browser would only work properly in their browser, thereby leaving Netscape in the dust. Just imagine if something like that happened today. Well, funny you should mention that. In December 2018, a controversy erupted on Hacker News when an intern who worked on the Edge development team said that Google was intentionally bottlenecking Edge on YouTube. Google added an empty div, really just like a transparent sheet, over the videos, which broke the hardware acceleration features of Edge. They could then claim that Chrome had better battery life when playing YouTube videos. Sneaky. Google has, of course, disputed the claims and says that the empty div was just a bug. And indeed, I'm not really convinced that this was intentional sabotage. Being a web developer myself, I know that it's sometimes hard to determine whether your changes will break anything. It does, however, raise a question. Have more nefarious tricks been played, and if so, is that the reason why Microsoft has abandoned their EdgeHTML rendering engine? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Handy Andy, and thank you for watching.